In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 size design in Canva. Whether you're creating a passport photo, a small custom sticker, or any other project that requires specific dimensions, these instructions will help you achieve that perfect 2x2 size with ease. To get started, you'll first need to go to the Canva website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in canva.com in the address bar. This will take you to Canva's homepage, where you can begin the design process. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to sign up. But assuming many of you do, let's move on to logging into your account to access all your existing designs and the full suite of Canva's tools. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on the main dashboard. This is where you'll find the magic begins, as this is the gateway to all your new design adventures. Go ahead and click that button, and you'll be met with several options for design templates. What we want to focus on here is the custom size option, which is perfect for setting up a design with specific dimensions. After selecting custom size, you'll see fields for width, height, and units. This is where you can input the exact dimensions you need, perfect for precise projects. Enter 2 in the width box, 2 again in the height box, and ensure the units are set to in for inches. This setup ensures your design will measure 2 inches by 2 inches, which is what we're aiming for in this tutorial. Once everything is filled out, click Create New Design, and Canva will prepare a fresh canvas for you. Now that your blank canvas is set to the perfect size, it's time to add your picture. Over on the side panel, you'll notice a tab labeled Uploads. Click on this and you'll have the option to upload your chosen image from your computer. If you've already uploaded media to Canva before, you can simply select it from your library. Just drag and drop your chosen picture onto the canvas or click to add it. And there you have it. With your image loaded into your custom-sized canvas, you can now adjust, edit, or add any additional elements you might need. Canva offers a range of features to tweak your design, from filters to a vast library of illustrations and text options, so feel free to explore and experiment to get the look you desire. This method is incredibly efficient for creating specific size designs, ensuring they fit your needs exactly. Whether it's for a personal project or professional use, knowing how to set custom dimensions is a valuable skill. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy designing!